So today, the earthquake happened. Not the movie type one, just the kind that makes you stop and go. Wait, was that the floor on my imagination? You and me both froze like status, brain loading, please wait. First reaction, fan check, curtain check, bed check. Second reaction, you failed it too, right? Because if you didn't, maybe we are just overthinking. You and me suddenly became scientists. Earthquake है क्या? No, no. वाइंट होगा. अरे बिल्डिंग तो हिला ना. बेड भी हिला. या फिर मुझे चक्कर आ रही है. And for those 10 seconds, you and me forget everything. Work stress, problem, even Monday. Phone comes out instantly. Google search. Earthquake just now near me. WhatsApp group activated. Did you feel that? Yes, same here. Everyone is replying at that time. And the moment it stopped, life went back to normal. But you and me, still side eyeing the fan, still alert, still dramatic. Earth shock, heart reached. Nothing fell. So basically, free adrenaline, no damage. Thank you so much, Art. But next time, maybe a warning? Is it?